Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't know who I am, hi, hello, my name is Janessa and this is a nail channel. Today's video, I'm super excited because I'm doing a little mini collab and giveaway. I've had the pleasure of meeting and making a new friend with a really sweet girl named Rosalie's Nail Studio. So she recently started up a little small in-home business and she's making cuticle repair oil pens. She sent me some samples to try out, and there's even a bonus. She sent me another little goodie bag. Yay! I get to send one of these out to one of my lucky subscribers. I'm super excited for you guys to see some close-up images of these because they are so cute. They're so well put together. I wish that YouTube had like a smell thing so you guys could smell these because they are heaven. So there's 3 different scents in each of these little goodie bags, and one of you guys is going to win one of the bags, and I'm going to be trying the other one in today's video. Big shout out to you, Rosalie. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to be the first one to try these out and show you guys. So I'm super stoked, and again, thank you so much. Rosalie also has a YouTube channel, and she recently uploaded a video on her small business and how she packages and prepares all of her cuticle oil pens. She's also posting a video on her YouTube channel today, and she's recreating one of my previous nail sets that I have done in the past. So I'm gonna need you guys to go over and subscribe to her channel, check out her content, look at all her videos, because 1, it's part of the giveaway rules to potentially win this little bag of goodies, and 2, that's just what we do here in the nail community. We support each other, and I believe that is why we have such a tight-knit, amazing group here on YouTube of us little nail enthusiasts. So I'm going to be using these in today's video, and then as far as the nails go, I'm going to be trying the Makartt Quikgel. So it's like a builder gel in a bottle, I guess. A couple of my subscribers have asked me to review this. It is the bigger one, so it's the one that has all of the colors in it. I'm super excited. I've never tried anything like this before. So if you would like to unbox this with me, see what kind of nails I end up doing, and learning more about Rosalie's cuticle oil pens, then please keep watching. Bye! Today's channel shout out goes to Christina Robinson. I love this girl so much. Her channel's popping off, and she recently has a giveaway going on right now for her 500 subscribers. So congratulations to her, and go and check her out. So today we're going to be using the Makartt Quikgel kit. You guys know you can get this off Makartt's website, and don't forget to use my code SLAYBYJAY. It helps support the channel. I earn a little commission from that, and it really helps me get these videos out to you guys. So first thing we're going to have is the little instruction manual. You guys can pause if you'd like to read that. Next, we're going to have a 100-180 grit nail file. Then we're going to have this gorgeous nail brush. It's just the brush. It doesn't have the spatula on it. Then we're going to have a pack of nail forms, and then a top coat and base coat. So I'm just going to start off by saying that if anyone has been on the edge of buying this kit, go ahead and buy it. You guys, I don't know why all polygels do not have little tips like this to apply the polygel, because it's absolutely amazing. Like, well, okay, I know it's called like quick gel, aka builder gel, but this little tip to apply this made life so much easier, so fun. Here are all the colors that come in the kit. One of them is a clear. Then I'm going to cure them for you guys just to show you the difference, which there isn't much difference, but such a cute color palette. Here are my natural nails. I'm going to skip the prep today, but I will link in the description if you want to see how I prep my nails. And I'm taking my C-curve tips I got off AliExpress. I'll link them for you guys in the description. And I'm just applying these with base coat gel and then curing them to my nails. The reason I use this instead of nail glue, I feel like it's a lot better for my nails and stronger. During the removal process, it doesn't harm my nails like the nail glue does. And yeah, I just really prefer doing it this way. So if you haven't tried it and you have the supplies, I highly recommend it. So after I buffed the shine off the tips, I am going to start applying this. I messed around with my thumbnail. I just wanted to try it first before I filmed it, and I was absolutely shocked and in love. This kit's been out for a couple months, and right when it came out, I wanted it so bad, but it is a little bit expensive. It's almost 50 bucks. If you use my code, it ends up being like $50, but Honestly, if you don't have polygel or you're looking into buying polygel, you don't know what to get, buy this kit. Forget all the other ones. The way that this comes out in the tip application is genius. I literally don't like any other brand. If you're watching this, hop on board, create your tip, like create your bottles like this. Like you can see how I am just gently like smoothing it all around. It was so easy. It self-leveled. I took the brush and I just cleaned the edges up in case it floated the cuticle, and then I would cure it. The only thing is that the application, you can't get it very smooth. You'll see me use up the brush. One time I tried to smooth it out and I kind of messed it up, and so I was like, oh. I got better at it, which you'll see towards the end I use the brush again, but you do the first layer very thin, you cure it, you go in for the second layer. All these colors were very pigmented, and it was just, I really enjoyed layering this. Pretty much every other video I looked up using this kit, they all did Lazy Girl method, and I do not see why you would do Lazy Girl method with this kit. I feel like that's like defeats the purpose of it, you know? It's just a really nice builder gel. Like I said, it's self-leveled. And yeah, you'll see my brush right here. Like it kind of like, you don't really want to use your brush on top of it because it's not like brush material, if that makes sense. Like you just need that the tip does all the work for you. It does look very unpleasant after you cure it. It's very lumpy, bumpy. With polygel and the brush and the slip solution, you can kind of get that perfect flat nail where you don't have to do much filing. But with this, with my first time, I did have to do quite a bit of filing. I did like mostly the pinks in this kit, and so I'm gonna do it again and just try like some of the blues and the yellows because I loved working it with it so much. Usually I just like use a kit one time, but this one, I loved it so much that I want to use it again. So for real, if any of you, I know a couple of you said you had this on your Amazon wish list or whatever, buy it. Do not hesitate. Whatever else you had in your kit, don't get it. I mean, in your wish list, don't get it and get this because I loved it that much. Even if I wasn't associated with Makartt and I didn't have a coupon code, I would still say get it. And then you can see there how I kind of used the brush to float on my cuticle, and that seemed to help a lot. So yeah, it was super easy, super self-explanatory. You guys can kind of just see me float this over my nail, and the color was so pigmented that I was able to keep the C-curve of my nail because I didn't have to do so many layers. Polygel is a lot thicker. This is called a quick gel, so I could tell the consistency was more like a builder gel, but like a polygel too, you know? Yeah, I don't know what they did, but I just wish that everything was in these bottles because it was so easy. I absolutely loved it. So yeah, that's basically it. How's everyone doing? How is all my subscribers? What are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? Do any of you guys have any plans? I'm just going to be hanging out with my family. All my siblings are coming into town, so I'm super excited. We're getting family pictures done, and I am stoked. And I'm also, at the end of this video, as you guys saw at the beginning, I'm going to be giving away the little giveaway I'm doing with Rosalie, and then I am also teaming up with Nikki Society. I'll link her right here. She wants to sponsor a giveaway on my YouTube channel, and so I figured instead of just giving away like a little thing of cuticle oil, why not mix the cuticle oil with Nikki's giveaway and let's just do one big giveaway on my channel. I recently hit 1,000 subscribers, as you guys know, so I'm kind of gonna have this be like the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and it's gonna be awesome. So if you guys want to see the details for that, then be sure to watch till the very end. Only 50% of the people that watch my videos are subscribed, so I'm gonna do the lame YouTuber thing and say, please, if you aren't subscribed, just check below and see if you are. It's a free way that you can help support me as well, and yeah, just sign up for YouTube. It's a free account and you can just hit that subscribe button and be part of the family, get notifications whenever I post, and it means so much to me. So here are the nails. As I said, you guys can see how they're like very bumpy and not very like pretty, but I'm going to file and fix that up. I left my pointer finger in so I could show you guys how I file. I know some of you guys like to watch filing processes. you don't like to watch the filing, then just go ahead and forward this a minute or two, and then you can get to the nail art part. But personally, I like to watch filing. I know it's very important, and still to this day, I go and I watch videos still, like even today, to learn. And you know, one of the things I really want to learn is to better my filing with my e-file, so I'm getting more comfortable with that. And also, this look today was inspired by Nails Chronicle. She has a really awesome YouTube and Instagram that I follow, and she creates some of the cutest nails. She's very talented, and so this was inspired by her. So I always love to give credit to all the amazing artists out there. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you probably saw a recent post of mine where I'm going to be offering one-on-one nail classes starting after Thanksgiving. I'm just setting up a little scheduling website so you guys can like book online and like see the times I'm open and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to be doing $15 an hour, and whether you want to learn anything about polygel or YouTube or whatever, I'm going to be doing one-on-one Zoom classes just to earn some extra money and help you guys out. So I'm going to be giving you guys some more info on that, but if you're interested, then please let me know just so I can get like a little head count on like what I want my schedule to be like and stuff like that. So you can see right here, I'm adding in some more polygel into a couple of the little divots. While I was filing, I can sometimes get carried away and try to get it perfectly smoothed out. That's not always necessary. So instead of doing that, I just took some more of the Quikgel, filled in those little divots, and then filed some more, and it seemed to make it almost perfect. Another reason why I loved this stuff, because you can just easily fill in whatever little spot you need. You just take it and fill it in. It was so easy. Absolutely loved it. So that was a super cool thing that you can do with this, you know, whether you need your cuticle area fixed or whatever. You can just take the little application and fix it where you need to. And then after I am done with that, we're going to do some nail foils today. I love foils so much. They make your set like so cute. And this company, iMethod Beauty, they recently reached out to me and sent me some stuff, and they also offered me a coupon code as well. So if you shop with iMethod Beauty on Amazon, you can use my code. It's going to be SLAYBYJAY, and they're going to give you 10% off anything you buy with them. So their top coat, their base coat, their matte coat, their foil glue, any of that stuff, you can use the code SLAYBYJAY and you will get 10% off. If you saw my last video, I don't really comment on like base coats and top coats that much, but this company has my favorite base coat and top coat. It was really weird like to explain, but it's so soft. Like I was just rubbing my nails, and they have this buy one get one free. Whatever you buy from them, you just send them the like little order number, and then they will send you a free product of your choice in the mail. So yes, Jelly Nails. If you guys saw another video, I did a collab with her, sent me a box of goodies, and her products are absolutely amazing. They are super affordable. The little pink flashlight I use to cure my nails, that's from her. The foils, a whole bunch of awesome stuff I got. And I just want to say thank you guys to all of you guys that supported her and her business. Thank you. It means so much to me that you guys support the small businesses that I try to promote. So I love you guys. And this foil was so cute. It had like this cute little cursive on it, and I absolutely loved it. This was my first time doing matte on top of foils. I didn't know that you could do that, I guess. So yeah, that was really cool. I'm gonna let you guys watch the foil application, and then I'm gonna do the rhinestones. And for those of you that haven't watched my videos, when I do the rhinestones, I apply the rhinestone glue first, and then without curing, I go on with the top coat, which I'm using the matte top coat, and then you apply your rhinestones and then you cure it. So I'll let you guys watch that for a minute, and then we will get into the giveaway rules. So essentially, me, Rosalie, and Nikki are all teaming up for this giveaway, and I just wanted to let you guys know that Nikki Rose Nail Society is also holding 2 other active giveaways on her platforms. The first one is when she reaches 500 followers on Instagram, she's giving away a Model 1's mini polygel kit with a mini lamp. And when she hits 1,000 subs on YouTube, she's giving away a full-size Makartt UV LED lamp. So all those giveaways, she's just waiting to hit the goal of her mark. And yeah, so here are the cute nails, and now I'm going to be using Rosalie's cuticle oil. Look how cute this little card is that comes in all of the packages that she sends out, and look how darling these are. So this is the watermelon one. It has aloe vera in it and vitamins. You have to twist the little turner thing a couple times, and then it just comes out very generously, and you wipe it all on. It smells so good. I love it because all of her packages, she has on one end the flavoring, and then on the other end she has her cute logo, and then inside each of the oils are just the cutest little things. Some of them have rhinestones, flowers, the little fumi, is that how you say it? The little fumi pieces. So cute. So the green one that you guys are seeing right now is the one I'm going to be giving away, and the apple is my absolute favorite. It's so cute. You guys can get these on Etsy if you would like to. She's selling them on Etsy right now, and if that changes, she might change her platform. She will let you know on her Instagram. So here pictured is not all but most of the giveaway products that Miss Nikki is sponsoring for my YouTube channel. And then we're also going to include this Burano glitter gel polish set, which isn't pictured, but it will be there. So Nikki sent over this picture and this video to me. I'm gonna have her send over all the actual products to me so that I can include the Burano glitter polish set, and then also the cuticle oil. So I'll get you guys some good pictures, but I'm so excited. She's including some eyelashes, some lip gloss, nail decor, cuticle oils, nail forms, a Yayogi polygel kit, Shoe Modern glitter and powders, Burano nail foil, and Burano nail foil glue. So it's gonna be super stacked full of goodies. I can't wait for you guys to see. Thank you again so much to Nikki and Rosalie. I love and adore you guys so much. So if you want to enter this giveaway, we're gonna let it run for 2 weeks, and the rules are as follows. You have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, Nikki's channel, and Rosalie's channel. You have to follow each of our Instagram, and comment your Instagram handle below in the comments. I will have all the rules linked in the description. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for making it to these videos and supporting me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!